These are the biggest mistakes I see nomads make when it comes to their fitness journey. I've met a lot of full-time travelers over the years, and I continue to see the same patterns. But there is good news. I've made a lot of these mistakes myself, and honestly, I have figured out a pretty good way and a pretty great system for me to stay consistent while I travel full-time. So if you've ever wanted to feel stronger, be able to enjoy your life more, or honestly want to be able to walk 20,000 steps in Europe without being completely wiped out, you're in the right place. If you're new here, I'm Rebecca. I am a registered nurse, certified personal trainer, and nutrition coach, and I live full-time in an RV with my husband and very spoiled Boston Terrier. Let's jump into the biggest mistakes I see and how to avoid them. Mistake number 1, living every day like you're on vacation. This is probably the biggest mistake that I see with every nomad that I meet. Oftentimes it's forget the run. We have things to do. I'm going to ignore my alarm that's waking me up to go to the gym. We have to go check out this local brewery. I want to go have drinks with friends tonight. I'm all of a sudden eating out every day of the week. Honestly, none of these things are bad. The reality of being able to travel full-time is you do get the ability to check out a lot of different things and explore new areas on a regular basis. The reality is, though, that somehow a lot of us convince ourselves that if we don't prioritize our fitness and nutrition, that's more important than being able to explore and see everything. And I've actually found the opposite. The better I take care of myself, the more consistent I am with my nutrition and in the gym, the more I have the energy to go and explore and do all the things I want to do in all of the cities that we visit. I tend to walk farther, I'm in a better mood, I enjoy the times that I get to indulge a little bit with my food, and overall just have more energy. It's not about choosing fitness or travel. It's making fitness work within your travel. The second mistake I see is thinking there isn't a gym option available for me. Thinking I can't work out here because this gym won't work for me. Here's the thing. I've been in over 20 cities within the last year alone, and I have found a gym in every single one of them. Some of them I had to get creative. My favorite example is the Grand Canyon. If you've never been, the cities around there are not very big, and all I had was the hotel gym, which just had a handful of dumbbells. But we made it work. Maybe it's a hotel gym, maybe it's a community center, maybe you are doing a full body, just no weight workout in your hotel or in front of your rig, which I have done. There's usually a place for us to get our workout in. The reality is, are you going to make the time to do it? Which leads me to mistake number 3, saying you don't have the time. This is definitely an excuse that I have used before. Oftentimes it's, we only have 4 weeks here. Maybe it's, we only have a couple of days here. There is so much that we want to do. I don't have time to go to the gym. I get it. Between work, a to-do list that never ends, and new cities to explore, sometimes it really does feel like the time is just not there. But honestly, this is the shift that really changed things for me. I stopped thinking about fitness as something I had to add in to my travels, and I just make it part of my travels. My favorite way is making my runs basically city tours. I'm going to San Francisco next week, and you bet your butt, I'm going to look up a route that takes me around San Francisco so I can see all of the cool sights. One of my other favorite things is talking to locals at gyms. The reality is, you can only Google so much, and locals usually have the in on the places to go, the places to eat, especially if you're a foodie like me, and all of the sights to see. All right, let's talk about the last big one that I see, the All Start Monday trend. Who hasn't said that? I have definitely said that many a time in my life when it comes to my fitness routine. It's a human problem. I'll start Monday. I'll start after this trip. I'll start being good after the holidays are over. The reality is, then you keep restarting and you never actually start your fitness journey and have any consistency whatsoever. So even if today isn't Monday, let's say it's Thursday, even if today is messy, start today. Make a plan. Write something down that you plan to achieve tomorrow to just get over that hump of I'll start Monday. That is still moving forward, and that beats doing nothing. So If you get nothing else from this video, I just want you to think about the fact that you don't have to pause your fitness routine just because you're traveling. You don't need perfection. You need a system that helps you stay what I lovingly refer to as inconsistently consistent. This is what has allowed me to live full-time in an RV and still train for a half marathon and hit some PRs in the gym lately. If you found this video helpful, I think you should watch this video next. That one covers all of the apps that I use that help me stay consistent while traveling full-time. And remember, this isn't about constantly starting over. This is about having a system that works for you and goes with you anywhere in the world. Have a good day, and I'll see you next week, guys.